It's the little drummer boy. He will catch some more pa-ra-pa-pum-pum. I have a gift for you. It's drum, 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 drum. Heyo! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Zach with Unreal Adventures. My brother is in town over there. Big bad Marine. I decided I was gonna make him, you know, YouTube famous today. So we're gonna be out with the old man, just prepping right now. We're gonna be down at the Spillway. We're gonna hopefully, I say hopefully, but I know what's gonna happen. We're gonna slaughter some white bass and some wipers, maybe some walleye. You know, who knows? Who knows? I've caught largemouth here, crappie, a little bit of everything. So we're gonna see what's in store for us. I'll be right back with you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it down to the zone. We're in the zone. There we go. Hook up. Oh, it's a big fat drum. Big fat drum. Nah. All right, check it out, guys. Nice little drum there. Probably a pound. We're gonna get him back in the water. Oh, there we go. That's a nicer one. At least in the current, he feels nicer. He's running some good drag. What do we got here? Another drum, maybe? Yeah, looks like another drum. He's fatter though, guys. A little bit fatter. All right. Look at this big boy, guys. Look at that big old toad. Kind of a chunk. That guy's making faces over there because he thinks we're casting into his spot, like he owns it. So usually you can throw right up into these rocks and like they sit right off the edge of it. The current's just a little heavy today for what I... Oh, there's one. Switch to an 1/8 ounce. That's a fat drum, guys. Holy crap. I don't know why the drummer up here is so heavy today. Another giant drum. I guess. I mean, this thing's giant. Check this out, guys. We got like a 5-pound drum here. Look at that toad, guys. That's a nice drum. That's a big fat boy. See what Dad's got on. Making him the star of the show today. We haven't seen it yet, guys. It's staying down. I bet it's not. Looks like a big drum or a wiper. I saw silver. Yeah? Yeah. Get him up here. I'll grab him on the gills. Check him out. Check him out. Another giant drum, guys. That's crazy that these things are in here so thick. Drum day on the river. Humdrum. Pete's got one on. Little crappie. Huh, interesting. Check that out. Perfect pan size. The Pete man, he finally got one on.
You owe me 29 more.
I told him that he would catch 30 fish today, so I owe him 29 more fish. He better pick up the pace though, because I've been here 5 minutes and caught 3, and he's on his first one. So I don't know if it's because he's a terrible fisherman. Nah, he's actually pretty good. I taught him everything I know. What do I got? I got another little crappie. There must be a school of crappies sitting out there, guys. There he goes, off into the water. Him was just a little guy, probably about 6 inches. Pete's got one on. It looks like a nice one. It's run and drag. It's probably another giant drum. But who knows? It could be numerous things. We'll keep fishing until he gets it a little closer. And he lost it. He horsed it. He weenie jerked it. He didn't set the hook.
Baby boy did something wrong.
Oh, there we go. It looked like a crappie. It looked like a big crappie. It might be a white, but I thought I saw some green in there. What do we got? Oh, it's a chunky little white bass there. Check it out, guys. Not a bad one at all.
What lure can I possibly do? Yeah, what am I doing wrong here? You want to put him on here?
Yeah. The dad's got one on. Oh, daddy boy. Let's see what he's got on here. Big fat drum. I would say, guys, the water's up about, probably 3 feet from the last time I was here. Maybe a little less, but still, you can tell they had lowered it a little bit. It was all the way up here not that long ago, like maybe 2 days ago. That could be another reason why this would be a better spot down here. Some of these fish, they sense that change in water depth, and they start to go out just so they don't get stuck up here. They're a little smarter than we give them credit for. Now, sometimes there are some dumb fish that stay up here and they just don't care, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try. Man, fighting these big fish, my wrist is already sore. My thumb's about to fall off. Oh, he made a pass at it, but he missed it, boys and girls. I felt a little dink dink, and I set it on him. I probably should have waited a little bit because I knew he didn't have it. That one has it. I don't know what that is, but it's another fat one, whatever it is. Let's try and get him out of the current here. I saw the tail. It was white. That's all I saw. Chances are it's probably another big fat drum. He's not running like a wiper. Wiper, when they run, they don't stop. Well, maybe it is. Who knows? No, it very well could be, guys. It very well might be. Look how far he's gone. He's way over there now. He probably ran about 30 yards or so of line out. No, it looks like a wiper. It is a wiper. Nope, it's a drum. I lied. I just saw that dorsal fin and it looked pretty sharp, but him's just a big drum. These drum are massive in here. Wowzers. Grab them up under the gills so I don't lose them there. Look at that hunt, guys. That's a freaking drum right there. That sucker, he probably weighs at least 6 pounds. He's freaking fat. Look at that hairy Nevis.
What is it?
Look at that hairy Nevis. The old man took his shirt off.
It's a mole?
Yeah.
I got a hairy mole in the back?
You got a hairy Nevis, man.
What?
You got a hairy navel?
This is insane.
Look, he ain't got no hairy navel. Nope. Nope. How old are you?
53, fools.
It doesn't look too bad for an old 53-year-old man.
fools.
Look at them guns. Woo! Fools. Where are you going?
He's going nowhere.
Bending that rod. Bending that rod. Let me guess, big drum.
Big drum rolling.
Big drum dreams, boy, big drum dreams.
Just made a weird tick.
Ah! It was a flathead. It was.
I got a weird tick. Right before it came out.
Yeah, it ripped off of his lip.
Oh, dang it.
It was a. I just saw the head. It looked like a 5-pound flathead.
Oh, fuck.
Petey boy's got himself one. YouTube famous Marine catches fish. Marine, no, the title of my video is Marine can't take fish off hook because he had such a hard time. Looks like another drummy, little drummer boy. It's the little drummer boy. He will catch some more pa-ra-pa-pum-pum. I have a gift for you. It's drum, 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 drum. Get out of here, but I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you want to follow on Instagram, you can. _real, REEL _adventures. And like always, guys, it's a good day to fish.